Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar XKR in for a remap dyno, upper pulley, new discs and pads, so a massive upgrade. But before we get into any of those, we need to strap it down to the dyno and find out exactly what it's running. And before our upgrades, we can see this Jaguar XKR is running 397 brake horsepower and 577 Newton meters of torque. So it's time to hand over to our technical team and our workshop technicians to find out exactly how much more power we can give it. All the mechanical upgrades are well underway, so it's time to get the file off the ECU and upstairs to our technical team to see how much power we can add with a remap.
Yeah.
So all the mechanical upgrades are done. We've written the new file to the ECU. It's time to get this Jaguar strapped back down to find out what all those upgrades add up to. And after all those upgrades, we can see that this XKR is now running 426 brake horsepower and 623 Newton meters of torque. A vast upgrade to this Jaguar, a really ferocious Jaguar upgrade. And if you're looking to upgrade your Jag, then make sure that you give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.